Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of the van build series. Today, as you can see, I need to work on the roof. I need to make a big hole for the Maxxair fan. This one. Ta-da! So this is the new entry. I will show you all the steps I'm going to take to install this guy here. And yeah, hope you enjoy. So remember, the frame needs to be with the attachment screw here sideways, not like this, but like this. There's no front and back, but those screws, they need to be on the side of the van. Now I just place the frame roughly in the center where it needs to be, and with a pencil I mark first the hole. Now I know roughly where I need to cut, and I will place now 2 layers of masking tape all around it, so when I'm cutting with the jigsaw I'm not stretching the paint. Just a little bit of cleaning before working on it with solvent. Now I trace the hole something like this. Voila. So now I will make 4 holes in the corners, big enough so the blade of the jigsaw can fit in, but before inside the van, and place a garbage bag on the roof so I will catch all the metal shavings. Yes, you probably noticed I did the hole too small. Basically, I traced the inside, but I actually need to cut this much. It's 40 by 40. I did just this. Let me fix it. That's why you should measure twice before cut. Okay, now the hole is big enough. As you can see, the frame fit flush with the metal. I just need to paint the edge and I'm ready to install it. Hopefully everything goes well. So while I'm waiting for the paint to dry, now I take the frame and I stick the, I don't know how it's called in English, this rubber tape, and like that, and so I'm ready to install. Okay guys, the frame is in. Now I will finish it with Sikaflex all around and on the screws. Okay, I'm ready with the Sikaflex 521 UV, some silicone tools to make the finish perfect, I hope so, and the soapy water. So let's try without making too much mess. Sorry guys, yesterday I ran out of battery, so as you can see the fan is installed. I did the Sikaflex all around, but I still have to cover with the Sikaflex all the screws. So that's what I'm doing now, and then the installation it's finished. I'm really happy actually with the finish here with the Sikaflex. Turned out pretty well. So less, it's the best way to do this, but you have to make sure you have done really nice job. So yeah, let's finish this up, and then today it's already late. The sun is low, so today I'm not doing anything else. Just finish the Sikaflex on the screws. But tomorrow, or maybe for the next video, I guess, I have something here to show you. So it's a little spoiler. The next video will be about this box here. Okay, it's not the right way. So I bought a Dometic Mini Eki S roof light. So this one will be the second and last vent, and it will be on the far back over the bed. So I hope with those two vents, one with the fan and the other it's just a vent, I hope to have a nice airflow in the van. At least this is what everybody is doing, so I'm following the trend. So guys, I want to show you something I did different. Basically, I think the screws into the metal, they are holding plenty enough to secure the fan. You don't need actually a wooden frame for this safety of the installation. So if you need the frame because it helps you with the sealing, that's fine. It's another layer of safety. But this really, they are strongly fixed into the metal. It's really enough to secure the fan. By doing like this, I have more insulation because the wood is not a good insulation. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to keep up with the van build, and see you in the next episode. Bye! Damn it. I'm so fucking stupid.